The binary number system uses only the full form of CPU is the device used to convert digital signals to analog is the shortcut key to copy selected text in Windows is the brain of the computer is the smallest unit of data in a computer is the programming language used for web page structure is the storage that is volatile in nature is the operating system developed by Linus Torvalds is the shortcut key to undo an action is the expansion of IP in networking is the search engine developed by Google is the extension of a Python file is the first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called the main page of a website is usually called